Hi, I'm Josh Wallen with Lincoln Electric Automation. I'm going to show you the new Fanuc CRX 25 robot or Cobot. The benefit to this arm is you have about a 73-inch reach on it, and we can manually guide it, and then we can drag and drop the tiles in place to write our program. So I'm going to move it into position over here. I'm going to record that point. I'm going to move it down into my weld start position. I'm going to record that. I'm going to lock it in that position so that I maintain my torch angle all the way through the position. Go to our weld end, record that point, and we'll pull back out to this position and record that point, and we have written our program. So the last thing I need to do is just choose a weld procedure. I'll throw one in there real quick. And then I'm going to play the program. So the benefit to this arm is we have a 25 kilogram payload. So we can put almost 55 pounds of weight on the end of our arm. Also, we have a 6-foot reach. So with this cart, we can actually take the robot to the component rather than bringing the component to the robot. So it makes it great for structural applications. And you can move on all three sides of the cart here. So you can move it right up to this, like this application here. We can do fillet and grooves. We can do vertical fillets. We can reach all the way up and down a beam to do a gusset. So it has a lot of applications.